Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been here in a minute, but your girl went all the way to Accra, Ghana to get her hair locked. Yes, I finally locked my 4C natural hair. Not for any negative reasons. I love my hair. I love my hair in its natural state, and I for never, not once, want to relax my hair. And that's the reason why I chose to lock it. I wanted something permanent, something that did not require a lot of maintenance, and locking my hair was the best option. It checked all the boxes. The hair is in its natural state. It has low maintenance. Obviously, I do have to go for reties between 6 to 8 weeks, but I'm willing to make that investment compared to having to take care of my hair on a weekly basis. Plus, this is more like a get up and go style. Like, I literally get up and my hair is already in a state that allows me to just do whatever it is that I want to do. So the process was very intense. When I went the first day, it actually took me 2 days to complete this. When I went the first day, they started doing it at 9 a.m. That's when they started parting my hair and everything. And I left there after 9 p.m. So it was almost 12 hours the first day with 4 ladies consistently on my head. And then the second day, I believe it took me about 2 to 3 hours to finish up and style and everything. So it was collectively about 14 to 15 hours with 4 people styling my hair, averagely 3 people at a time. So I wanted very small sizes or tiny locks because I knew as they matured they will get bigger. Even after I did my first wash, my curls curled up and they got heavier. So clearly I made the right choice in making them smaller because I did not want big locks, because I just didn't want them bigger. I just want them smaller. So it's really nice. It looks the way it looks now, but after having it for about a few weeks, it's turning out great. I love that it's so super lightweight. Like, now I understand why once people lock their hair, they're so grateful and so thankful and wish they did it sooner than later, because the freedom, y'all, the freedom. Like, I wake up and literally my hair is ready to go. I can't stress this. But I appreciate you all for following me through this journey. I definitely have plans on sharing my journey with you all, and you all would get to see more videos about my hair. But yeah, I went to Accra, Ghana to get the hair done, so we are ready to go. Stay tuned and keep an eye out for more videos, and I hope you enjoy this content as well. If you do go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more content about my sister lock journey.
Oh, we didn't know come here last time. The before I don't know we want to come in 1 year. True. Oh, I'm fine. Oh, this is so cute. Oh. Oh, where the fuck? I am my fine. Because most of the people are not quite detailed. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, maybe finally. 2 days later. Yeah. Oh, it just it's been so good, right? And it's like no my flat into pebble fulfill and hairstyle. Oh, this is cute. Oh, we didn't wash. I've done it a long time. I depend on the year better than oh, okay. Actually, this or you need that. Oh, David. Yeah, I should know. Say my prayer. And I'm like, oh, David, Mama, my brother, I don't know. Then this here, never cook. Never cook. Ah, stop there, wait, kitty. And yeah, see, your friends are Bobby Pin, yeah, so more baby, yeah, that's it. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, this is cute. Oh. We last time I didn't want to hear great. We are the first, we I almost say they should have done it sooner than later.